Hey y'all, so today's different. It's a nice day. I was like, let me show you guys my crochet items as of now so far. There's gonna be some tops, cardigans, and I forgot what they're called, the thing that goes around your ankles. Oh my gosh, around the winter time, what they're called. But I'm going to show you a couple things that I've made throughout the year on my crochet journey. I used to start off just doing sewing and everything, and then I was like, ooh, anything else that's a little different than what I'm used to. And I feel like that's kind of like the pipeline. First, seamstress or sewers, they go to other creative outlets like crocheting or knitting, and knitting is terrible. I don't know if I get into that. I did buy the needles and everything, but I don't know, because it just looks super frustrating. First thing I want to show you guys would be, okay, that I'm not too proud of, but you have to start somewhere. I think it's called the boleros. It's like this. Oh gosh, this is embarrassing, and it's super tight on me. I just didn't feel comfortable with it, but I had to start somewhere, right? So after that, I made this, and it's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, it's just this, and I'll show you me wearing it on the side. But oh my gosh, just the color. This yarn was super affordable from Walmart. I think I got 2 cakes, just 2 of them to make this. Now the sleeves are way too long. I'll input the tutorial or the YouTube video, yeah, the YouTube video that I watched when making this. I wasn't really paying attention when I was creating them. I was more so watching some gameplays. Sometimes when I watch gameplays, my mind wanders. So I made it so long on one side, and I was like, well shoot, I guess I'm gonna have to make the other side, because I didn't feel like pulling out the yarn and starting all over. I don't know why. Like, when I see people having to like take it all apart, it just makes my heart hurt. So I was like, forget it. So I just went ahead and just folded it like this to make it easier, you know, for me. Who knows, maybe I want to have long sleeves one day. But yeah, this is super adorable. Here's a cute little tank top with ruffles. I found out how to make ruffles, so here it is here. I just think this is like the most adorable thing ever. You can't really, I hope you can see it through here, but they were super tight. The ruffles are really tight, but I kind of was like, I want to influence ruffles into everything. I created this one on a whim. I seen a TikTok, but then I don't know, something didn't, oh, here it is. The stitching, I wanted it to just be one band all around. Well, I guess that's kind of what I did here. It's just the way I stitched this side was just was terrible. I'm still trying to figure out how to seam things, and I think instead of just adding yarn, like I think I yarned over it. That's what made the seam so thick. I'm so excited about this. This is something I actually feel proud about wearing outside. I need to start doing that for all my crochet items, just wear them outside. But this one's actually really cute. I just paired with jeans and some Converses. People seem to like it a lot, so I don't know, like that one actually made me pretty happy. I got compliments. It's kind of, whenever you get kind of compliments, when you get compliments from someone, I don't know, it just kind of makes you feel good. Now I used to be like feeling iffy. Someone's like, did you make that? Because I'm like, are you saying did I make that because it looks like it's handmade and that means it's poorly? Or are you kind of like, oh my gosh, I love that, like did you make that? So but this was more so like, oh my gosh, this is so cute. So, you know, and then I can be like, oh, I made that, and they're like, ah, and I'm like, ah. So yeah, this one right here, top tier. Oh my gosh, cardigan. I believe this is called granny stitching. This right here is so cute. Like, look at that. I was so proud of this. I made this one a couple months ago, like when it was cold. I believe the YouTuber tutorial, her name is AC Crochet. I love her tutorials. Like, her tutorials are so easy to follow. Now, like on some portions, I like kind of like, I know in her video she didn't have this. It was thicker, but I didn't know how to do the stitching, the thicker binding stitching around, but I just kind of did my own thing. But one thing I like about her videos is you can kind of add your own personal touch, and I love this. Now, did I wear this out yet? No. I finished this when it started to get hot, and I was like, dang. So when it's cold now, I'm definitely gonna wear this, because this is just such a nice rich color. And I think this is the the red, I forgot that brand, it's cheap, but it has like squeaky yarn, but like it's cheap, so like this is something that's beginner. I forgot what it's called. It's like red something. It's red something. I'll remember. I'll put it in. I feel like you know what I'm talking about. It's the really cheap yarn, but it's good for beginners. I love this so much, so I cannot wait to wear this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this one was super random. I was going on a trip to Colorado and I was like, oh my gosh, let me find a color reading in color. I know this is like super stereotypical, or not, I don't know, but I was like, this feels very Colorado to me. So I bought it before I went on my flight, and I was going to make a hat. This was supposed to be a hat, believe it or not. If like, this is like extra, this is the backing of the shirt, but if it wasn't together, it would be like that. And then just on my head, it was supposed to be a Colorado cat hat, which is very dumb. So I'm really happy this turned out great. A nice top, and I actually wore it there and I felt so good. The people there were super nice. We went to Durango, went to Durango, Colorado. Such a nice place, very hot, so this was actually really nice to wear. But yeah, I actually crocheted this on the flight there, which was pretty cool. That was a nice experience, not gonna lie. So definitely, I'm definitely gonna do that again if I ever go on another flight. I'm just gonna find that vibe for the state or country that I go to, and then just like make a top or something. Honestly, I didn't even know I could crochet in the airplanes, because I thought the hook would be like, I don't know, not permitted, but like luckily, because I was like super nervous, I was asking him like, is it okay? And they're like, yeah, you're fine. So yeah, this was like super fun to make, and it had great memories, so definitely gonna make more of these. Okay, so leg warmers, that's what they're called. I don't know what I was thinking. These, okay, not gonna lie, I'm either gonna make them leg warmers or arm warmers, because the ruffles on these are so cute. This is me going through my little ruffle phase. I don't care, you can't really stop me on that. It's just how you can just kind of change up your outfit and just make it what you want it, you know what I mean? Like, it doesn't have to be exact, it doesn't have to be just leg warmers. Like kind of like scrunch it, you know. I think it's adorable, but I had fun. And gosh, I forgot, this was like one of my first, I would say one of my first like actual I'm proud of myself kind of crochet projects, because like it was like just a long rectangle that I just folded in half, stitched it, and again I did that whole thick stitch that I did before one of my tops, but it actually worked well because this was such a thick stitch that when I put its seams together and I, you know, sewn the seams together all thickly, like it didn't really matter. I do want to learn how to sew the seams together without it being a big bulky seam. That'd be nice, but I'm a beginner and I'm a proud beginner, so I don't know. This was super exciting, so I love this. I'm probably gonna make different colors of this, have to. It looks great with boots and Converses. I definitely wear this any chance I get, even if it's not hot. I mean, if it's not cold, I would still wear it. Even if it's not cold, I still wear this, honestly. I just love when it kind of like scrunches and everything. I don't know, I'm super proud. And like I said, look at those ruffles. Like, all right, so that's all for today. Please share, like, and subscribe if you want to see more. This was super fun for me. Kind of pumps me up to make more. I hope you like it, guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.